Gaming desks are often overlooked pieces of furniture, but they are the foundation upon which the whole gaming setup will be built. They help to place all your gaming equipment efficiently and reduce the mess that the cables make. Also, many of them are made to meet the requirements that a gamer has so that you can be more relaxed while you play. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and where you can buy them. A combination of sleek modern design crafted with durable steel makes the Mr. IRONSTONE L-Shaped gaming desk beginner on our list. This spacious desktop provides a massive amount of space to lay out 2 or 3 monitors or screens, books, papers, documents, and plants. Both sides of this space-saving study desk are the same length, so it fits snugly in a corner to maximize your limited space. It's constructed by high-quality P2 black MDF board and black metal framing. The metal frame offers a large weight capacity, and the extra X-style bracings ensure that it's stable and durable. Its adjustable leg pads ensure that the L-desk stays level even on uneven ground. This desk also provides a humanized footrest design. The safe, round corner design with adjustable leg pads make the table stable even on uneven surface. Next up, we have the Gtracing gaming desk. This gaming desk comes with an adjustable monitor stand. You can move the stand left and right, and you can set it up wherever you prefer. It has a generous game surface that measures 47.2 inches by 25.5, which is perfect for pro gamers. This carbon fiber desktop is stain resistant and scratch resistant, and it's easy to wipe clean. Its contoured tabletop allows you to sit close and supports your wrists and forearms. The T-shaped metal frame makes it super sturdy and stable. Its other features include an adjustable monitor stand, speaker and controller holder, headphone hook, and a power strip holder under the tabletop. Additionally, it has been tested against our strictest standards for stability, durability, and safety to withstand everyday use in your home for years. Moving down the list, we have the Mr. IRONSTONE Large Gaming Desk. The large MDF PVC laminated surface of this desk provides massive space for your gaming computers, PC, gaming keyboards, and all your gear. This table comes with a cup holder, a headphone hook, and 3 cable management holes. It's not only a gaming desk, but also a multifunctional workstation. This thing is constructed with a high-quality laminate top and durable metal frame legs, so this gaming desk can bear an enormous weight. The R-style desk leg system provides more support and ensures stability and durability. Finally, its adjustable leg pads ensure that the table doesn't wobble. The Vitesse gaming desk is the best way to ensure a fluid gaming experience. It comes with a rack where you can place a couple of controllers and games for convenience, and has 4 USB ports for you to use. The mousepad covers the entire surface, which just makes things easier for you. Additionally, this keeps your mouse and keyboard at an even height. It's constructed with premium density fiberboard and a coated steel frame, ensuring stability while you game. The T-shaped design and 4 leveling feet keep the desk from ever wobbling. Plus, this aggressive looking desk is geared towards eSport fanatics and serious gamers who want to have a real battle station. Now, it's time for you to meet the all-new Arozzi Arena gaming desk. It comes with a massive 14 square feet of rock-solid surface and a custom mouse pad which covers the whole space so that you don't have to worry about it. Its 160 centimeter width allows for 3 large monitors to envelop you in your gaming environment. With high-density, solid construction materials, it delivers gamers a very stable and calm surface to work with, allowing for lightning-fast responses and comfort. The customized mousepad covers 100% of the surface and grips tightly to the desktop with unique materials. Plus, the substantial all-metal base provides great support and is adjustable for different user heights. The custom mousepad has microfiber cloth which is water resistant and machine washable. Finally, the mousepad's edges are stitched and the pad is 5mm thick to maximize user comfort. But if you're looking for a better gaming experience, we have the EUREKA Ergonomic Kernel Series Z1S gaming desk. This gaming desk has a sleek carbon fiber texture, and the gaming surface has plenty of space for your gaming monitors, keyboard, and other gear. It measures 44.5 inches wide by 24.2 inches deep and supports up to a 40-inch monitor. Also, it comes with LED lighting, so you just plug in the LED light to your PC or laptop with a USB. With a rock-solid Z-shaped design, it not only looks cool, but it is also very sturdy. It comes with 4 leveling feet, which make sure that your desk doesn't wobble and is totally stable. This PC gaming desk comes with a convenient cup holder, headphone hook, controller stand, game storage, and an extra large mouse pad for your keyboard and mouse.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.